How to unblock people on Snapchat. Hi guys, in this video I will tell you how you guys can unblock people on Snapchat in just a few seconds. Simply open up Snapchat on your phone, and then once you have Snapchat opened up, simply come over to your chats. Then from over here, click on the top left on your profile picture. Now once you've clicked on that, now click on the top right on the settings icon. Once you click there, I want you guys to just simply scroll down, scroll down, scroll down, and then over here you guys are gonna see the option for blocked. Simply click on this particular button, and then after that you guys are gonna basically see all of the people that you have blocked on Snapchat. What you guys need to do now is to just simply click on those people and just simply tap on unblock, and those people are gonna be unblocked. So guys, that is how easy it is for you guys to actually unblock people from Snapchat. This is very easy, only takes a few seconds of your time. Thank you so much for watching guys. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.